Latest reports states that a new variant of India's Light Combat Aircraft, LCA, Tejas completed its first flight successfully here on Monday in Bangalore. Piloted by Air Commodore K.A. Muthanna, retired Chief of Test Flying, CTF, Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd, HAL, the Tejas SP-21 series production fighter took off from HAL Airport here at 12:54 p.m. This is the first final operational clearance FOC variant of Tejas fighter produced by LCA division, the youngest wing of HAL. In the next 2 years, HAL will have to roll out 16 FOC Tejas fighters, including SP-21 and 8 trainers for the Indian Air Force, IAF. One of the key features of the new Tejas variant is the air-to-air refueling probe, giving it an edge during enduring missions. The new variants will be able to fly non-stop for over 8 hours with air-to-air refueling support, thereby giving a fillip to IAF operations. IAF sources say that the second squadron of Tejas, number 18 Flying Bullets, will be formed at Air Force Station Sulur by likely next month, with the induction of first 4 fighters. The Tejas has very good capabilities, and as we gain experience we will continue to expand its operational utility in IAF plans. Air Chief Marshal Bhadauria had said. SP-21 boasts of key features like air-to-air refueling probe, GSH 23mm gun, pressure refueling with 3-drop tank configuration, improved wing navigation lamp, tandem pylon and auto-low speed recovery, to name a few. Here is a quick glance at the new features. Air-to-air refueling probe. This novel feature of mid-air refueling introduced to FOC variants will enhance the range without additional touchdowns or pit stops to refuel. This is the first Desi fighter to have this feature. Fuel system enhancement. Over and above 2,350 kilograms fuel carrying capability of IOC variant with its external drop tanks of 1,200 and 800 liters capacity, Tejas FOC has an additional 725 liters center line drop tank with pressure refueling. Beyond visual range. Missiles. The reliable Darby missile has expanded the firing envelope, making it more lethal. This feature was tested and cleared for the entire FOC envelope via exhaustive study of missile separation characteristics. GSH 23mm twin-barreled gun. This Russian extensive but firing at Nasik before getting on board SP-21. The integral gun would give an edge to the pilot in case of a close combat scenario. Despite the delays in rolling out Tejas SP-21, LCA Tejas division ensured that the young team flocked together and stayed focused in the last 6 months. Please like and subscribe and keep supporting us. Jai Hind.